Today we're going to talk about the best camera for making TikTok videos, and I have two recommendations for you. I would ask you this first. When I started, I had 0 followers and 0 views, and as a way to avoid getting started, I started doing research on all the equipment that I could buy in order to do it perfect the first time. Now, if that's you, then number 1 is going to make absolute sense. And I'll tell you, I went from 0 followers to over 1 million with the camera that I had. And I will tell you, if you have a cell phone camera, that is the best one to get started with. And the reason for that, you can have decent video. It doesn't have to be the best, but your content is great and people connect with you, you're going to do well on TikTok. I started with the iPhone 11 Pro, and got to over 1 million followers. No mic, nothing. Just taking the phone and talking into it every single day and multiple times per day. Now, the second best that I would recommend, I'm an iPhone guy, but I really like the iPhone 13. And the reason I like it is they have what's called cinematic mode. And basically what that does is it blurs out the background. And I found that to be really helpful because then I can be making videos in all different areas and it works really, really well. Now currently for my YouTube videos, I use a Canon M50, and I tried that for a little while with my iPhone videos on TikTok, and they really didn't do any better. It is all about the content. If you're making videos that connect with your followers and that solve a problem, or you either entertain or inform, I think your videos are going to do pretty well. So stop worrying so much about the camera that you think you need and just hit record. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.